Another attraction of North Sikkim is Yamthang Valley and Zero Point. If you want to experience ice, you must visit Zero Point because most of the time of the year it covers with snow and the natural beauty of the place very attractive and charming. You will fall in love with it. Best time to go. Best time to visit Yamthang and Zero Point is March to May. How to go? If you are starting from Gangtok, after 5 hours of journey you will reach at Lachung. Or if you are returning from Gurudongmar Lake, you should come via Lachen to Lachung and stay the night at Lachung. Next day at an early morning start your journey for Yamthang Valley and it is 23 km, takes 1.5 hours. Yamthang Valley. Yamthang Valley situated 11,693 feet above sea level at a distance of 150 km from state capital Gangtok. Yamthang Valley, popularly known as Valley of Flowers Sanctuary. The flowering season is from February to June. There are over 24 species of rhododendron flower trees. There is also Tista River flowing midway and on the banks of the river grazing yaks. A hot spring is also there. During summer months, villages gaze their yaks in the valley. The picturesque scene of the valley is splendidly beautiful. Yamthang Valley to Zero Point is very scenical and beautiful way. On the way, you can find various rhododendron flowers, lily flowers and so many kind of flowers and the road, the rocky, but you will love it. Zero Point. Yamthang Valley to Zero Point, nearby 23 kilometers, take 1.5 hours. Zero Point is situated at an altitude of 15,300 meters above sea level and approximately 190 kilometers from Gangtok. Zero Point is popularly known as Yamsem Town. Zero Point is the place which remains snow covered for most of the part of the year. So if you want to see and enjoy snow, you must come Zero Point. You can experience beautiful view here as mountains covered with snow. There is Tista River flows midway. There are some snack stalls by local people. Due to high altitude of 0 point, oxygen of air is low. So you should avoid visiting the place with an asthmatic